Welcome to our world of interior design at THT Design Channel. Here, we believe that your home is a reflection of your soul. Join us as we explore a myriad of styles, from minimalist chic to opulent grandeur. We'll transform spaces, big or small, into havens of comfort and style. Get ready to be inspired by stunning makeovers, practical design tips, and the latest trends. Let's create your dream home together. A modern sanctuary, stone, glass, and nature. A modern natural stone house, designed with an emphasis on glass and open space, offers a harmonious blend of human ingenuity and natural beauty. This architectural style, a celebration of the interplay between man-made structures and the organic world, creates a dwelling that is both visually striking and psychologically soothing. The natural stone exterior, a rugged and timeless material, provides a sense of permanence and grounding, anchoring the structure to the earth. The use of glass walls and doors, acting as portals to the surrounding landscape, blurs the lines between interior and exterior, creating a seamless connection with nature. The abundant tropical trees, with their vibrant colors and exotic shapes, further enhance the sense of immersion in the natural world. The open space design, characterized by spacious rooms and a lack of clutter, allows natural light to flood the interior, creating a bright and airy atmosphere. This design choice also encourages a sense of flow and movement, fostering a connection with the surrounding environment. The integration of indoor and outdoor spaces, through the use of large windows and sliding doors, allows the inhabitants to enjoy the beauty of nature while remaining sheltered from the elements. The house's placement within the lush tropical landscape provides a sense of seclusion and tranquility. The surrounding trees, with their lush green foliage, create a natural canopy that offers shade and privacy. The house's design, carefully integrated with the natural environment, minimizes its environmental impact. In conclusion, the modern natural stone house, designed with an emphasis on glass and open space, is a remarkable example of contemporary architecture that seamlessly blends with its natural surroundings. Its design, a harmonious combination of modern aesthetics and traditional elements, creates a dwelling that is both visually striking and psychologically soothing. The house's integration with the natural landscape, combined with its luxurious amenities, offers a truly unforgettable living experience. Comment below to share your favorite garden. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your garden. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.